Hey guys, we're live at 4:54, battling for Brian's droids Fett's coin. Excuse me, it's a mini for Brian's droids Fett coin. I got 12 spots. I'm going to copy and take over to random. Looks like the top three win spots in the main on this. I'm going to paste them in there, 1 through 12. Just going to adjust this quick. Mini. We got our 12 entries. Going to roll the dice. Got to get at least a 5. We did. We got an 8. So we are golden, folks. Good luck. Here we go. William takes round 1. Steve 2 and 3. Eric 4. William takes round 5. Spencer 6. Steve in the top spot for our next to last round, round 7. With number 3 bringing us to the final round. Good luck, folks. Here we go. Our winners are Eric, and Steve. Congratulations, fellows. Here's the verification. MJKPHS. There they are. I'm done. 4:55. Bang. There it is. Again, here's the official results. Congrats, guys. See you next time. Thanks.